This week we're giving you the chance to win one incredible prize. One of you are going to get your hands on this amazing Triumph 955i Daytona. Of course, Triumph is an iconic brand, so we decided we're going to do something pretty special with this giveaway because our NHS heroes, they're a British institution and they have been doing a remarkable job during the COVID-19 pandemic. So 100% of ticket sales for this competition are going to go back to our NHS charity. So get yourself involved, buy yourself a ticket, support an amazing cause, which is our NHS charities. And here are all the details. To win this fantastic prize, all you have to do is click below to enter. Entries cost just £1 with 100% of proceeds going to the NHS charities. The competition closes at midday on the 6th of July and the winner will be announced in our Facebook live draw at 6 p.m. on the same day. For full terms and conditions, visit the website. Good luck and thanks for supporting our NHS heroes.